Fans are calling out 90-Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After star Yara Zaya for posting her shopping trip during an inappropriate time. Yara and husband Jovi Dufresne evacuated their New Orleans home over the weekend ahead of Hurricane Ida hitting Louisiana. The couple and their baby Mila are now in Dallas, waiting out the storm in a hotel. The couple is making the most out of their Texas trip, but 90-Day fans have mixed reactions about Yara treating the emergency like a vacation. The 26-year-old Ukrainian is known in the 90-Day fandom for her glamorous sense of style. Yara often shows off her chic fashion and lifestyle on Instagram, where she also promotes her online clothing boutique. The reality star has been keeping followers updated since her family's evacuation to Dallas, where she hit the mall with Mila to pass some time. Yara posted videos to her Instagram story of her waiting in line outside the Louis Vuitton store. The 90-Day beauty posted again to let her followers know she treated herself and left the mall with quite a haul. Some followers thought Yara's mall spree was insensitive due to the state of emergency in her home. Yara posted a screenshot on her Instagram story of a critical DM she received from a fan about her posts. "So many messages like this," Yara wrote, adding a facepalm emoji. "Why are you spending money on this when you could lose your home?" the follower wrote to Yara in the screenshot. "There are people's lives being destroyed by the hurricane, maybe you should donate money." Yara further defended herself in the screenshot caption, "I do donate money," she wrote. "And I work hard and can buy myself whatever I want." Yara later posted to her IG story while she and Jovi went out to dinner following her shopping trip. The 90-Day star explained her spending spree was a form of retail therapy. "Honestly, don't make me so much happier," Yara said of shopping in the video, "because I don't know, I just see what's going on there in Louisiana and I am all day so much worry. I didn't even eat yet. I just feel like I want to come to the restaurant now, I need to eat something. I was thinking shopping will make me feel better and it's not." Yara's husband Jovi, a born and raised Louisiana native, has been active on his Instagram to raise awareness about the natural disaster in his home state. The new father asked followers to send in photos and videos of Hurricane Ida's damage. Jovi also put out a message on his IG story that he wants to organize or participate in a relief effort for anything he can after the devastating storm. While some 90-Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After fans are critical of Yara's lavishness on social media, the Louisiana couple's hearts are in the right place as they wait out their evacuation.